Welcome to Computer Education Unlocked channel. Today's video subject is Malicious Removing Tool. The Windows Malicious software removal tool is a free utility developed by Microsoft that helps to detect and remove malware from Windows computers. It is updated on a regular basis and can be downloaded from the Microsoft website. Let's start the video. Windows R to open run. Type MRT to open Windows Malicious software removing tools. The tool is designed to scan for and remove specific types of malware, including viruses, worms, and Trojan horses. 3 types of scans can be seen in this software viz. Quick scan, full scan, customized scan. Quick scan will quickly scan files and folders and remove malware if found. Next, this scan will take much less time. Full scan will scan all the files and folders on the entire computer. Remove malware if there is. Next, this scan takes a long time. Customized scan is to scan a specific file or folder. Next, this scan will take much less time. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.